Now, whether you're interested in Shiba Inu coin, Ripple's XRP, Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar Lumens, it doesn't matter. Name your coin out there. This next bull market rally is going to be phenomenal. And I want to talk about why. Because I'm seeing articles here talking about $15.6 trillion Wall Street inflows and floodgates being opened. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that $15 trillion is going to be flowing into the cryptocurrency space. But we are going to be backed. We are going to be supported. We are going to be held up by $15.6 trillion mammoths that are out there. And I'm going to break this down a little bit further in this article because I truly do believe we are going to see all-time highs hit in the cryptocurrency space in the next couple of years. Let's talk about why, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Listen to this headline. If this doesn't get you excited, well, okay, but it should get you excited. The next wave is coming. Bitcoin breaks 30,000 is 15.6 trillion Wall Street flood that will dwarf the last crypto, Ethereum, XRP price bull run is revealed. Now, I am going to be going through this article, but this is talking about the institutions that are asking for Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, Grayscale, all of these different mammoths on Wall Street are asking the SEC to approve Bitcoin ETFs. Now, that doesn't mean that they're going to be putting all of their assets. Clearly, BlackRock isn't going to go out there, sell off of all of their real estate, sell off of all of their equities, take that $10 trillion cash that they have and pour it into Bitcoin. That's not what we're saying here. But the fact that we've got these huge industry players asking for these ETFs, knowing that they are backed by $15+ trillion in assets, this is going to lead to a massive, massive inflow during the next run. It says, Bitcoin and crypto markets are primed for a massive shock, with one high-profile billionaire warning that he's stockpiling gold and Bitcoin due to the cataclysmic situation facing the US dollar. Now, I'm not going to break that down too much, but obviously we've got a lot of political uncertainty going on over the world. In the BRICS situation, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, all talking about using their own currency as opposed to denominating trade in the US dollar, that can hit the dollar. Right? Well, I'm not terribly concerned about that part of this video. I'm talking about the ETFs in this video. That's for another one. We can discuss that at any time you guys want. It says the Bitcoin price, sorry, not Bitcoin price. That doesn't make any sense. The Bitcoin price was rocked this week by a viral false report that the long-awaited Bitcoin spot ETF had been approved by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, causing XRP and the cryptocurrency market to move higher. Now, this was simply proof that an approval of a Bitcoin ETF is going to cause prices to rise. The next wave of Bitcoin institutional adoption seems to be advancing mostly in the form of financial institutions providing access to Bitcoin investing to their clients through ETFs. Analyst with data company CryptoQuant wrote in a report. It says the Bitcoin price and wider cryptocurrency market, including Ethereum and XRP, have rocked higher as expectations again soar that the fully fledged Bitcoin ETF in the US is only a few months away, according to JP Morgan's analyst. The timing of the ETF and approvals remains unclear, but it should happen within months and most likely before January 10th, 2024, the final deadline of the ARK Invest and 21 Shares applications, these JP Morgan analysts said. Bitcoin price has added 5% over the last 24 hours, breaking through $30,000 per coin in the first time since mid-August. Last month, $1.5 trillion manager Franklin Templeton filed with the SEC for a Bitcoin spot ETF. Since then, the SEC has been instructed by U.S. lawmakers to re-examine Grayscale's application, and they can't just deny it because we want to deny it. No longer a valid excuse. They either need to approve it or they need to deny it with justification. The potential of fresh money entering the Bitcoin market through these spot ETFs would dwarf the amount of money that flowed into the Grayscale Bitcoin Fund, the largest Bitcoin fund in existence during the last cycle. Now, price expectations from these analysts. We're talking about the amount of money. So the Grayscale Bitcoin Fund realized the capitalization had increased by $5.5 billion during the last bull market. They're expecting that the capitalization of this new ETF would increase $155 billion, shooting the price of Bitcoin just on this approval, right, between $50,000 and $73,000. Now, that's an increase in price of about 82% to 165%. What do we know? People can't stand missing out on gains. Oh my gosh, we start to hit these all-time highs. Bitcoin starts moving higher again. They've seen it happen so many times in the past that Bitcoin has rallied and they could 10x their money. They're going to get that fear of missing out. And look, if this news drives Bitcoin up, and it coincides with the Bitcoin halving, and it coincides with the cyclical nature of the market, guys, we are going to witness a rally like we have not witnessed before. And I do believe, I can break this down a little bit further at another time, but I do believe that this could be one of the last major rallies that the cryptocurrency market has. Why? Institutions are the last to get involved here. And when they do, they're not going to be taking their money out and completely selling off where we see these huge bear market drops. It is going to be adoption. The last stage of adoption. And knowing that, we could still see Bitcoin continue to increase over time. It might be decades before Bitcoin reaches some sort of a $500,000 to $1 million price point. But knowing that this might be the last opportunity, do not kick yourself out of the game by leaving during this bear market, getting upset, getting frustrated, and not being able to take advantage of this rally. If institutions get involved, there will be billions of dollars, if not trillions of dollars in inflow into the cryptocurrency space as confidence returns. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, do you think that $50,000 to $73,000 price point is legitimate? And do you think that that could cause some FOMO? Because a lot of people are anticipating Bitcoin going to $100 to $130, possibly even $150,000 per coin. I think it's realistic. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments. And of course, with that button right there still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.